Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is your dream home, a 6,000 square feet home sitting on 0.67 acres of land, located in the prestigious Ingleside Subdivision, Mandeville, Manchester. This is an elegant hillside residence with breathtaking views. This captivating residence offers the ideal blend of luxury, comfort, and functionality. This remarkable property presents a rare opportunity for the discerning homeowner or investor seeking a spacious home with income potential, exquisite views, and the peace of mind that comes with a prime residential location. Whether you're a growing family in search of your forever home, a professional seeking a sophisticated retreat, or a visionary investor with an eye for a multi-unit residence, this impressive three-unit property was designed with versatility and elegance in mind. 8 bedrooms with 2 separate units, 6 full baths plus 1 powder room, 2 car enclosed garage, 3 kitchens, 1 main plus 2 ancillary, vaulted ceilings, library, formal dining, multiple living rooms, and high-end finishes. Schedule an appointment today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £290,000, US 373.1 thousand, Jamaican 58.8 million, Canadian 534,000, or Euro 342.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.